If you're an analytical guy, your conversations with women probably feel too logical and predictable. It's not because you're too smart to flirt, and it's not because some guys are naturally better with women. It's because you lack the tools to make a conversation feel fun instead of flat. And one of those tools is called wit.
You're very far, so normally you guys think that Europe is one country, you know?
Is it not? For most of my life, I didn't even understand the concept of wit. Jokes would often fly over my head because I thought that conversations had to be literal. But over the last 3 years, I've been developing my wit in real conversations with women, not by reading books about it. And in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what I learned, and I'll use real examples to demonstrate each concept. We're going to cover misinterpreting, associating, and sarcasm. The first way to become more witty is to purposely misinterpret what she says. I call this misinterpreting.
Is that where you're from?
Yeah, no. I'm not sure you know. It's in near
Don't discount me that much. I know I'm American, but geez.
Grenoble.
I've never heard of it. No.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess you're right.
Anyway.
I guess you're right.
Instead of taking her words at face value, you pretend she meant something completely different.
You're pretty.
Thank you.
I want to take you out.
I'm afraid I've got a boyfriend, so
You're afraid you have one.
I'm afraid
Don't be
I've got a
afraid. Don't be afraid.
boyfriend,
I'm sure he's a
so
great
I
guy.
can't.
It's okay. Well, I hope you enjoy
Thank
your
you.
lunch.
Appreciate the compliment.
Tell hubby I said hi.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I'll see you around here one day.
Enjoy
okay?
London.
And it's not always about her exact words. Sometimes you can misinterpret the meaning behind what she says.
Try like Shoreditch.
Shoreditch.
Yeah, try Shoreditch.
Oh, someone told me about that. There's like a market, right?
Yeah.
There's like a night market or something like that. Day market.
Well, yeah, there is like a night market, but it's just a really good place. Like to have like, it's more eccentric than this.
Eccentric. Probably, yeah. I probably fit in more there.
No, I don't mean that. I just mean in
You're like, get your ass to Shoreditch, Ephraim. You don't belong here.
like in comparison to like Lulu. Like
No, I get it.
say,
I get
like,
it.
So in that example, we were in a high-end area of London. When she suggested a more eccentric neighborhood, I pretend she meant that I didn't belong. Here's another example.
Honestly, I just assume that being in England, people just use WhatsApp. But
No, we do.
okay.
But my contacts are in like my phone. It's not what. You don't have to add them into WhatsApp. If you add it to your regular contacts.
Oh, can we get it? You work in tech. We get it. We
I just needed to
get
prove
it.
that for a second. Let me just be clear.
She was simply explaining a feature of WhatsApp, but I joke that she was trying to show off her tech skills. Here's another example.
American.
Oh, fuck you. Half of me is easy. No, all right, half. I'll give you half. African American. I think you could have guessed that
What
one.
does that mean though?
So, hundreds of years ago, there were slave ships that went from Africa over to America, and I think my dad's was one of the people aboard the ship. So.
Sad.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I just decided, since you want to take the piss, I decided to go with the most depressing answer possible.
Okay, no.
So she actually meant what part of Africa, but I pretend that she's literally asking what the term African American means. Misinterpreting is a simple tool that you can start using immediately to become more witty in your conversations. The second way to become more witty is by connecting what she says to something else. I call this associating. Associating is when you say the first relevant thing that comes to mind.
I don't know, you might.
we'll see. I don't know.
What are you studying here in London?
Drawing, fine arts.
Drawing?
Yes.
Really? So you're trying to be the next Picasso, are you?
Maybe female version.
Female Picasso.
Definitely.
Picasso.
Picasso. Yeah. We'll see.
In that example, she told me she studies drawing, and the first thing I thought about was Picasso. Instead of asking a predictable question like, what made you choose that? I used an association to make a joke. Here's another example.
Oh, you don't like it?
The worst one.
So what's the best one? Tecate? Don't say Tecate.
No, Victoria.
I've never heard of that one. I'm
see?
not a true Mexicano.
No,
I'm not from the
you're not
barrios. Oh my God.
So when I hadn't heard of her favorite Mexican beer, the first thing that came to mind was that I'm not Mexican enough to know. Here's another example.
That works out because today, so I'm going for pints after my friends get off work. Yeah, I'm trying to be as English as I can.
Yeah,
right?
no, soak it up. It's
Yeah,
good.
I'm just using the lingo.
Yeah.
I've been saying taking the piss a lot.
Right in it.
I haven't gotten there.
Gotta
Or
check that one in.
mandem. I haven't gotten
Oh,
there.
yeah.
That's level 3. Yeah, that's level 3. The mandem.
Yeah, you'll get there.
Well, I'm going out for pints with the mandem tonight, innit? So
Nice, you get there.
I'm getting there.
She references some British slang, so I immediately associate those words together to make a joke. Here's another example.
Let's pan over to friend then. You're the one who said Nairobi, so here we are.
Yes.
I'm not Kenyan though. but
Well, I think
I'm American.
It's only Kenyans.
It's only Kenyans?
Only Kenyans. Like, they can't be a neighboring country.
let's start.
They can't be Tanzania.
Let's start over. I'm straight out of Kenya.
I know you're a liar.
I've just flown here.
We don't like liars.
I'm American. Yeah, I got here a couple weeks back.
In this one, she says that I have to be Kenyan, so I jokingly restart the conversation. And then later on, I make another association.
So, the thing is,
Go ahead. Let me down softly. Go ahead.
I just got out of literally. You can prove this. I literally just got out of an 8-year relationship.
It's a long time.
So
I was in diapers back then. Wow.
I know, right?
And sometimes the association comes from something she does rather than something she says.
So do you drink? Do you like cocktails? What's your thing?
It's not letting me do it.
Have you already broken my phone?
No.
You said you wanted to work in tech.
No, wait.
Associating trains your brain to make quick connections. And once you can make those connections, sarcasm allows you to express them in a more exaggerated way. Sarcasm is when you say something that's obviously not meant to be taken literally.
Yeah.
I'm asking because I like you.
Uh-huh.
And I want to take you out.
You do?
I do. I do, yeah. I do. Here's the ring. I do.
Why did you not?
These jokes aren't meant to be insulting, they just make the conversation more dynamic. My favorite way to deliver sarcasm is with a straight face. You want to commit to the joke and sound like you mean it.
It's like the only thing I know about Australia.
No, I have seen those actually.
That and the kangaroos. So
Yeah.
You have a pet one, right?
Not me, unfortunately.
Fuck, damn.
As long as the joke is absurd enough, it'll be obvious that you're joking.
That's correct.
Is it?
I'm impressed.
Wow.
People
That
never
American
stop, right?
education system. It's finally working in my favor. Look at that.
Well, you think Europe is a country, right?
Wait, it's not? Wait, I thought Sweden and Denmark were the same place, yeah?
That's what we think about Americans.
Yeah, well, you're pretty much right.
And you also want to be careful not to cross the line. Like here, for example, I say that people from the East Coast are terrible, but my smile makes it clear that I'm joking.
I'll go one day.
Yeah, there's some fun places to visit, for sure. Especially the West Coast, Best Coast. Make sure you visit there.
The West
That's where I'm
Coast,
from,
Best
100%.
Okay.
Don't meddle in the East Coast. There's nothing for you there, trust me.
West Coast.
Avoid the East Coast at all costs. These people are
Okay.
terrible. It's all about West Coasters, baby. West Coasters.
And then later in the conversation, I make another sarcastic joke.
Your phone needs some love.
Does it?
Work.
Oh no.
Why is this not happening?
Yeah, let's have a look. Does it not want us to be together?
I don't know, maybe not.
Sarcasm is an effective way to make your conversations more witty and engaging. So between misinterpreting, associating, and sarcasm, you'll instantly come across as more witty in your conversations. Your interactions will go from dull and predictable to fun and engaging. But this is only one piece of the puzzle. Once you've learned the basics of wit, there's an even more advanced level to this. So click the video on your screen. That's where I break down the rest of my process step by step using real examples. And if you want me to personally install my Quiet Confidence Playbook into your life, you can apply to work with me one-on-one using the first link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.